If Outlook is showing the X-Owa-Error or that frustrating something went wrong, message in Outlook web app, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step, using simple browser-based troubleshooting that most likely solves the issue. This problem is often caused by corrupted cache, cookies, browser extensions, or even a temporary browser glitch, so we'll go through the easiest fixes first and work our way through the best solutions. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is opening Outlook in an incognito or private browsing window. This gives you a clean session without loading old cookies or cached files. If Outlook works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the problem is caused by your browser data or an extension. Next, close the incognito window and go back to your regular browser. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. In most browsers, you can do this by opening the browser menu, going to Settings, selecting Privacy or History, and choosing Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files and cookies or site data. If you want to be extra careful, you can clear data for Outlook specifically, but clearing the recent browser data usually works best. After clearing the cache and the cookies, completely close the browser and restart it. This part is important because a simple refresh is not always enough. You want the browser to fully restart so it can load Outlook with a clean session. Then open Outlook web app again and sign in. In many cases, that alone fixes the XOwaError immediately. If the issue is still there, try a different browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, test Outlook in Microsoft Edge. Or if you were using Edge, try Firefox. This helps you confirm whether the problem is browser specific. If Outlook works in another browser, then the issue is likely caused by an extension or a browser setting. At that point, go back to your main browser and temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security extensions. These can sometimes interfere with Outlook web app and trigger the X-Owa-Error. After disabling extensions, restart the browser again and test Outlook one more time. If it opens normally, you can turn the extensions back on one by one to find the one causing the issue. If none of that works, make sure your browser is fully up to date, because older browser versions can also cause loading errors in Outlook. Once your browser is updated, restart it again and test Outlook. In most cases, one of these simple client-side fixes will solve the problem, especially clearing cache and cookies and then restarting the browser. So if you're stuck with the X-Owa-Error, start with incognito mode, clear the caches and cookies, restart the browser, and then try a different browser if needed. Those steps fix the issue for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.